Are you somebody who loves to garden? And perhaps some of your trees, your shrubs, your flowers aren't doing so well? And maybe you're thinking you don't have a green thumb. Well, let me give you another solution for what might be happening. I want to tell you about this tree. When we first moved in here, we're watching this tree struggle. It looked like it was dying. So I came out, I checked the energy that was affecting it, and found that there were 2 geopathic stress lines running into this tree. So I found them, I cured them, and within 6 months, we now had a healthy tree. And it even grew a second trunk around the original trunk to protect it. So how does this relate to what's happening in your house? I always tell people, if this is what it's doing to a tree, what is it doing to our bodies if we're sleeping in this kind of an energy? So you may be sleeping over this geopathic stress created by underground water, underground fault lines, and this geopathic stress, when you're sleeping in it, creates stress on your body. So maybe you're waking up in pain, or perhaps you're not sleeping well in this energy and you're getting out of bed at 4 or 5 in the morning to go sleep somewhere else. Perhaps you have an illness that you can't recover from very quickly. These are all signs of geopathic stress. So what can we do about this? You can go to the event page on this website and check out any upcoming dowsing classes and learn how to dowse for yourself. In the class, I teach you how to find and cure negative energy in your environment, and it's more than just geopathic stress. Or go to my contact page, send me a message. I'm happy to talk to you about the energy of your space, what's going on, and we can set up a consultation. It's time to take the first step in creating a stress-free life for you and your family.